Hi there, and welcome to the Workout Coach. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started by creating your first program. You'll need to click the Programs icon in the left navigation bar. Once you're there, you'll see a list in the left column of any previous programs you might have created already, and you can click to edit any one of those. But as this is probably your first time, you'll want to start by giving your program a name. I'm going to call this one my 4-week arms workout, but you can choose anything you like, and then simply click Add. Don't worry, you can rename any program later on if you want to. So now you're on the main program page. We've made it super easy to create programs, especially if you get used to using the quick duplicate buttons over here on the side for the sessions and tabs later on. Now if you look in the left panel, you'll see there's a lot of different exercises to choose from, but in order to make it easier for you, you can either choose a specific category or just filter the list down by using the search field. I'm going to focus on some bicep exercises to begin with, and so as you can see, just by typing in the word bicep, the list filters down, becomes even easier to choose from. So let's go ahead and add in some alternating dumbbell curls, and also let's add in a hammer curl as well. There we go. And so before we've even specified the weights or the reps, we can start to see the foundations of the program. Now, I just want to show you some of the features on this page that you might find useful. At the top, we have the program name, and you can edit this by using the icon over on the right. At the end of the program name, you can see a small number. This is just a handy addition to let you know how many clients you have assigned this workout to. Sometimes it's useful to know how many people's routines you're editing. Underneath this, we have the tabs and session rows. Now, you don't have to call them tabs or sessions. In fact, I'll change these to help us understand how they work. So over on the right here, you'll see the edit icon again. Simply click that, and I'm going to call it week 1. This is a 4-week workout after all. Now for this demo program, we're going to assume your client is going to be going to the gym perhaps 3 times a week. So we're going to name the sessions Monday, Wednesday and Friday, though you can call them 1, 2 or 3 or anything else you like. So in a minute you'll see how handy that duplicate feature is, but let me just get these numbers in first. So on the alternating dumbbell curl, I'm going to specify that the client does 10 of those, and we're doing it in reps, and I'm going to put the weight at, let's start with 12.5 kilograms. And on the hammer curls, I'm going to specify this as doing an AMRAP, which is as many reps as possible, but we're going to reduce the weight a little bit down to 10 kilograms. You'll notice I can either type in the number directly or use the plus and minus buttons to get a fine adjustment. You'll also notice I've specified kilograms. You can choose pounds if you like to, and we've made it so that if you specified kilograms but your client is at a gym that's using equipment with pounds, then they can change the display on their workout screen and it'll convert the weight for them. Now, I want to ensure my client does a couple of rounds of these exercises, but instead of having to drag the exercise from the left again, all we do is click the duplicate icon to the right and it appears underneath. Let's go ahead and clone another one. We'll close the dumbbell hammer curl. And then we'll use the drag and drop bars here to move that up in the sequence. And so let's just go ahead and increase the reps for that one and the weight for that one. And there you have it. Week 1, Monday session is all done. Okay, I know it's a short workout, but this is only a demo. Now, assuming you want to do a similar thing on the next session, all we have to do is click the duplicate icon over on the right here, and there you have it, session 2 cloned already. Let's go in and call that Wednesday. And click apply. And on Wednesday's session, I'm going to add in a wide grip barbell curl as well. Let's put that at 15 reps and 25 kilograms. Now to finish off this week, we'll just do the same procedure again, clone an existing workout or start one from scratch, and then click the exercise that you want into the main area and choose the units and the weight. And of course, as well as duplicating the sessions, you can also duplicate the tab just by using the button over here. So that's all there is to the programs section. You should now be able to create multiple programs for yourself or your clients. So that's all there is to the programs section. You should now be able to create multiple programs for yourself and your clients. And if you're happy with how this section works, then everything else is going to be super easy from here on in. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and manage bespoke exercises and categories. I just hope this has been helpful to show you how to use this particular feature, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at support@theworkout.coach.